Today I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So when you click on photo profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on calls, just click on it. So then you come to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Come here to identify your numbers on other apps. Click in this sign or this color. So like you see, color it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.